What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? This is Jamie the Wanderer. How y'all doing? I'm participating in HoloJam. Yeah, so I'm into the game jam again. Well, actually, this is my second game jam this year. I participated in a game jam back in January, but I haven't really streamed it or done anything special with it, other than just saying I'm just going to start right now. So, give me 1 second. I'm just going to real quick do some stuff on my main screen before I do anything else. And all right. And 1, 2, 3. I am invisible. I don't exist. Oh, hold on a second. I did 6 now. All right, there we go. So the game jam. They just announced it. They have just. I said they just announced it. They just announced it, and they have. They just announced the thing. They just announced what's gonna happen. So real quick, I want to try to go back and find it. All right, real quick. And the theme for this jam is not. Where is it? And the theme for the announcement is called Chaos. And right off the bat, I have some ideas I want to go with here, because I have two malls. These two malls actually were commissioned a long time ago. I was planning to use these malls for a game I was currently making. No, I'm currently making. But for however, I decided not to use decided not to go with it because how long the process of making these malls will be. But I still have these two malls. These two malls I want to use. And for that, I thought this theme will be perfect for me to use them. The malls, of course, I'm pretty much talking about is like Axel and Altair from All Stars. So far, the theme, I know the theme is pretty much chaos. It has randomness, never ends, choice. These are I'm reading off from helpers, and science is about why, but why not. So I think since I'm doing this all by myself, I think I have this idea of being able to having those two characters be like main characters, or maybe like something like merge characters. Like one arm has a gun, your arm has a chain, and it's just a first person shooter, that sort of thing. Of course, I probably have to go down the list and think about if that's a good idea or not. But like, that's like a starting point for me to start with. If nothing else, I will want to try to make either something else, either top down or either third person. You know, something that hit the theme of chaos. And I definitely feel that both Axel and Altair might be the perfect people to do chaos things. So, I'm basically gonna do this. I don't have my tablet with me, so I'm going to just write in mouse. So hopefully, yeah. The most of the time it's gonna be a bit for this stream it's gonna be a bit quiet, just kind of trying to come up with ideas, trying to come up with something special, that sort. But yeah. Let's see. Okay. Usually you should write down the ideas coming off this. Actually, that's probably a good idea. Why Axel in Altair? Why them? Why Shiny Spicy? I'll write his name Alex again. Really? Let's start here. Let's see. For the theme chaos, I imagine putting these two into some weird situation where they have control of one has control of one side, the other has control of the other side, and this of myself, I want this to be a first person. One thing the kind of reason why I'm thinking of this because I'm thinking of trying to do trying to do something super special with it. Like Altair has its gun. I have a pretty much go ahead and draw that out. That's not exactly how the gun looks like, but it's basically what happens to be a blade. An Axel has his chain. I don't know what the end of the chain looks like. Maybe it's like maybe it's like a ball or a hook. To stay safe, I'm assuming it would be like a ball chain. I can finish come back to seeing what it looks like later on, but right now I just want to try to make to see what we can get this to. I think for right now, these things two things I know, and I want to actually have let me just do this. want to be something like um for Altair's gun, for example. Uh, it can shoot, and you hold the left click mouse button. It can charge, and when you let go, it will shoot, fire a big bullet. Um, for the chain, it can attach itself to like a wall or the ledge to get to higher heights, and and or just like chain will attack an enemy, and it'll pretty much draw him in, and use Altair's sword to stuck him in. That sort of thing. That's something I think I would want. That'd be something cool. Although, again, I'm doing this all by myself, and basically this idea is pretty much someone want to try to go for. I think that approach would be perfect. Would be perfect for me. Now, of course, the malls themselves. These malls were made by Chaintan. If you know Chaintan, he is a 3D pixel mauler. I commissioned him a long time ago for a particular game I was trying to make. But throughout the time I decided not to use it because the process of making each mall would take too long. Like I have like plans I have for a lot of character malls, but the time that would take to make them make for him will take. Yeah, I say it's going to take a bit longer than I expected. So I still one thing I know for sure. I don't want to leave these malls in the dust, not being used or not being done or anything like that. So I want to try to do something special with it. So real quick, I don't have to picture them. I do have to picture the malls. Yes, I do have to picture the malls. I don't have them. No, do I? I have a picture of one of them. Well, I have a picture of one of them. I have both malls, but yeah, I'll take it over. But yeah, I'll pretty much plan doing that. But I want to try to get the idea of what the screen's going to look like. Maybe not. I'll probably do more free. I'll pretty much just do it more freeform than just like come up with the idea on screen. Yeah. So thank you. Next one. Opening the engine. The engine I'm gonna basically use the Unreal Engine. I'm a pretty much Unreal Engine developer, Unreal Engine programmer, and sometimes mauler, but pretty much mostly a programmer. And when the heck you have to do it? Please wait for me to think. That's so weird. Either way, just go ahead and launch it here. I think I'm gonna start all this in Blueprint instead of C++. For one simple reason, doing things in Blueprint can be a lot more faster than just trying to do everything in C++. Plus, I can change the error rate whenever I can. New game. This is in every project will be blank. We are moving our code not in here, but into here. and we're gonna start. I'm gonna name this project Chinese Spicy. Because I think that's their unit name. Although it's Tempest, but it's actually their dual unit name. I think, let's see. At the start, I want to go straight to basic. We are going to go ahead and start with definitely a first. If it's gonna be a first person, I don't need to worry about malls right now. I actually do need to worry about malls. I need to actually grab their arm and actually have the camera attached to it. That also means that I go into Blender and get all that figured out. But that'd be fine. I guess that's gonna be fine for right now. Hold on. We're going to start with stamp the folder. SPICT. There. How long is it? For I'll create the map. I'm gonna use this map as a test map. So far for my goal for this game jam, I want to be able to get to level 9 as soon as possible, and I want to get to get the game done within as soon as possible as well. So, which is why I'm doing it in first person. So real quick, I'm gonna need to save this current level as for map. It's gonna be I'm gonna call it a test map. If you got any experience I want to do or anything I want to try get going, I want it in a test map. No ifs, also buttons. I need to also make sure this is all set up properly. Test map and test map. Alright. I might need to use create a game instance. That's future me to figure it out. However, that's future me to figure out. I'll figure out. For me right now, I think I want to start by again making this game. By pretty much starting with creating actors. I say actors, but creating actors, player controllers, and that sort of thing. My CCC, my camera, my character, and my controls. I think controls are not going to be. Hopefully, controls are not going to be too difficult. I'll think about it. Might be, maybe not. I'll worry about it later. That's called player. Let me get. This will be a character for. SS. SS is short for Shiny Spicy. I usually like to name my files based on the project's name. And I'll call this character. Let me go ahead and this will be a character. This will be first person. It doesn't need a spring, but we do need to be able to rotate this thing. properly without any problem. We'll also need to control the character. Back into project. For right now, usually when I do input, this is basically once I like inputs, I like be able to control the character, be able to input. I'll be using this, but this is being deprecated. Means in the future projects it's not to be used. So I need to make sure to come out, make sure this needs to change in the future. What is this? Oh, yeah. Move forward and move right. I'm going to use WASD for the control. In the future, I'm pretty close. May actually add in controllers. But right now, I want to be able to. I want to be able to just I want to be able to just use the use this I'm sorry, my brain's kind of fried right now. Wait, move forward, move right is not the right. It's not the right place to play. It's supposed to be an action. No, it is in the right place. What the heck I'm doing? I'm being. Oh my god, I'm being dumb right now. Move forward. You can tell it's been a while. It's been a while for me ever since I used inputs. I've been using enhanced inputs moving forward with my art project, but for this one, it's like trying to remember exactly how to make a game, from this again. But this should pick up right back up. Jump. That'd be our space bar. We're gonna do our since we're going to be able to control both alter and axle at the same time. It might mean control them at the same time, and we're gonna have to merge them into one. Like, if y'all seen, if y'all remember Magazine Vesper, where they did a stream where they're merged into one, into one person when they're playing Apex. Like one has the control, one has the keyboard, the other one has the you only have the mouse. That's the idea where I'm coming from. So I want to try to do something like that. Okay. Left attack. That'd be the left mouse button. And right attack. That'll be the right mouse button. All right. Also, how y'all guys doing today? My chat has been dead for years and years, and I haven't talked to anybody at all. I was wondering if anybody exists. Sorry if I have to call y'all out, but it's just like, I've been alone. Not that kind of alone. But put that side of your head. Yeah, kind of a little weird sometimes, but that's, yeah. I think that's gonna be okay for it now. Real quick. No. Not bracket P. I'll probably have a pause menu. So I have P and I'll have escape set up. So whenever I need to pause or escape, I have P and I have escape already set up. Is that everything I need? I think that's everything I need. Okay. Save. Not everything. Need to create player controller. VP underscore SS underscore P controller. And the next one I'm going to need is the game mode. VP underscore SS underscore P mode. I like to shorthand these names because for basic reason they are very long. If I were to name it way longer than it should be, I might run into an issue where when I try to make a build, the game will not build. The project will not build because the name is too long and you need to shorten it. I mean, I could pretty much set up the extension to make sure that it's not the case, but sometimes for me, I need to make sure I have good practice all that. I'll make a game instance as well. I'm not sure I'm gonna need to use it, but for right now, it's just nice for me. It's just nice to have. Okay. Okay, next up, game mode. I need to make sure the game mode is being set up. Oh. Now I feel good. I need to have my world setting. Okay, I don't need the world setting actually. Actually, I might need the world setting. That's a couple reasons. I need to make another game mode because I'm going to have. There's going to be a tile screen. There's going to be a game mode. And they both need to have different game modes for both of them. For this thing, I need to just set up a couple things. Just controller. Just need to make sure we have the HUD. Oh, I don't think I need a HUD right now, but I don't think I need a HUD right now. And I have about 2 weeks to work with this, so we should be good. Character. HUD. Okay, I think we're good right now. Alright, there we go. Game mode. We're going to override this whatever game mode this has with the game mode I'm using right now. And that should be it. I don't have. Okay. Now the next one I need to have is control movement. Move forward and move right. And let's see. We're using a camera. Player. Get player. I'm gonna have to apologize. It's been a very long time since I've done this, but I know that it is. I know it's something. I know it's I need to get a player to get a controller. Yeah, get controller rotation, and I need to break this. Add movement input, and this is one for the forward, and we're focusing on roll direction. If I'm thinking about the roll direction, it would be the X direction. And this one's going to be the Y direction. However, if I try doing this would be correct, but it's gonna make me only move forward, backwards, left, and right. If I try to rotate, which I don't have the ability to rotate yet. Oh. That's something I actually need. Forward, right. Look up. Turn. That is mouse Y, I think. And for turn, it's gonna be mouse X. There we go. Okay. I need to remember exactly how this was set up. Turn rate. I'm going to need this needs to be a float, and this needs to be a certain number. I think I start with 25 or 25 because it needs to be axis. Y'all. Here we go. This will be the catch. And no, these two are straight up simple. This one needs to be. See, this one is not pretty much straightforward for me for some reason. Like I know exactly what. Oh wait, it needs to get the. All right, I remember. It needs to get the four effector. And this needs to get the right. And this needs to get the right effector. No. I need that in row. I need you to go ahead and split this. There we go. Forward, right. All right, this should be this should be fine. This should be working. No, I think it should be with this. I should be able to test. Up, it worked. Yep, it worked. The rotation is very finicky. Oh. 10. And just to make sure that I know that it's working. If I pull this down and look at my left, yeah, it's using SS character. And the rotation's actually going to correct, and it's going to correct rotation. Holy crap. Ooh. Stop. Alright. That's two. There we go, that feels better. One problem, and that's pretty much the straight up or easy problem, is it's not looking up. It's not looking up at all. That need. If I have questions, I can pretty much go online, or I say go online and actually look it up. I think it's still be under camera. Is it on camera? On the camera? Use pawn control rotation. It has to be it. Yes, that is the that's it. Yes, that's it. One big issue, and that is the map is actually using how do I say? It's using reverse controls, where you push the mouse up, it looks down. You push the mouse down, it looks up. That sort of thing. Then we go into party settings. That's what I just don't like. And so you make sure this needs to be at a negative. Now this, there we go. That felt a lot better. Alright. Next. Jumping. Jumping can be straightforward because jumping is actually just given. It's just given. On jump. Wait, not on jump. Jump. Action is jump. There we go. There we go. And if I stop, if I release the jump key, it should be stopped up. There we go. I already have things moving around and doing all sorts of things. What do I think I should start next? I think a reticle. I think I need to get the characters in first. That's what I think. So let me go and stop right here. And let me actually just try to figure out how do we want to start. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to import. I'm going to start importing some things. It says in the core, I need to make core and assets two separate things. Assets are going to be like the 3D models, the textures, and everything else in there, including UI. So let me go ahead and actually create a folder for models. And let me go ahead and start with I should probably name it malls. Cause I think I should probably name my malls or not. Brain fart. Anyways, where I keep acting. Go off before. That's long. I think this should be. I'm not sure about the mall, but I think it should be properly set up. I mean, it's probably not set up. It's probably not set up properly, but yeah. There is no skeleton. I don't think it's using the same. I don't think it's using the same skeleton as the other one. But I'll work around it. All right, has okay. I'm probably gonna change. I'm gonna have to change material a bit. For this one, I need to be about. Well, two-sided, yeah. And I don't want it to be. I feel I'll come back to this, work on it way later than before. If all there, same thing. I don't think I need a lot. Okay, where do I keep my? Yeah. Okay, I found my mall. You know where I keep my keep the malls are at? I keep it at downloads, and for some reason I keep the downloads unorganized. I kind of need to change. That needs to change for me. Okay. For this one, I need to make a material instance. There. Need to also go back here and get set the texture sample to a something to convert. I think I'm just gonna do it in Blender. I think for the start, I'll probably use Altair's models for the time being, because Altair's models has the gun, and that's will be a good start for me. I will need to actually have to make an animation using If you look at his hair, it's very weird, just because his hair is two-sided. If I change this, there, all the hairs back to normal. Although now looking at this again, why is he so white? I mean, by white, I mean like he looks like a goddamn ghost. I think I'll worry about that later. But I do need to start with the animation with this. Now I can probably do Blender, but I think I can do this in Unreal. And let me first start off by grabbing Altair, from the world. I think I wonder how I can. Now I'm thinking about how I can do that. Wait. Maybe not pull them out of the world. Maybe. Yeah, this might be it. If I'm rigging, it doesn't know what rig I'm using. Clearly. his arm. Real quick, folks, I need to look something up. Let's make sure there's no sound coming out of my system, because I do not want anything coming out of it. Anything coming out at all. Actually, hold on a second. I don't think I need to do that. Here's what I want to try. Instead of like making my own rig and doing all that kind of stuff, all that cool stuff. Instead, I want to try to grab a feature. For instance, this third person. I'll add this to the project for right now. Pretty sure remove. And I'm pretty sure what I'm gonna do. I'm pretty sure remove parts that I'm not gonna need. But add stuff that I'm gonna add stuff that I want. Like for instance, there's when I add shiny spicy, a couple new things pop up, including this character. I don't need a third person, because all I really need is the Meg. I don't need this level of prototyping at all. The mannequin has rigs, and that's something I've been wanting to have, want to use. So instead of using Altair to make a rig right off the bat, I'm gonna start using I'm gonna use the mannequin. And what I'm going to do is I'm gonna have this mannequin animate the mannequin's arm to do some certain action. Like for the idea I have for the mannequin, I have one pulling out the gun, the other one just grab attacking. All right. I already did some practice with this little bit, but I know damn well how to use it. Okay. We'll start with this. Don't want to make it the FK. Let's start with IK for right now, or both of them. The heck? Why is it snapping? How's snap? Me too. Okay. I'm also going to put up a camera. And it's not going to be a thumb. I just need to make a camera. Real name is cinema camera actor. And the only purpose of this camera actor is to just act as the first person. That's the only time I actually need to. real quick, I also want to get done. And now thinking about this, I want to be able to attach this gun on the controller. I think I'm able to do that. Hence the word I think. Add selection, no. Okay, probably not. I mean, I'm probably not able to do that, but I do want to get the idea of how it would look like. Granted, I'm pretty much trying to figure this all out within that small box. And that small box is not really something I want to demonstrate. But it's something I think I'm pretty much gonna make do for right now. We gotta add the camera actor. Here we go. Of course, y'all getting if y'all get the picture as well. This is why I pictured how the game's gonna look like. Altair is gonna be on the right side. Altair side is gonna be on the right side. Axel is still be on the left side. And let's see, I think for Altair, I probably want for Axel, I probably want him to close his fist, maybe. this and thinking about this, my first start is just gonna be just getting this set up. We don't need to snap the rotation. We need to snap. That's my phone. If that's from that, like, I apologize. Oh, good question. I think I need to. Oh, it's off. I just need to mute the thing a bit more. Right. Where it's like, we're actually like clenching his fist. What the heck? Oh, that looks very weird. We actually use purple. That's probably gonna work. This one's pretty much gonna be working for me. All right. All right, this one looks to be okay. Okay. I think I only got a few things taken care of. Well, at least I have the idea. What I'm pretty much going to do is I'm going to do some animations for some basic animations for this, and I'm going to take these animations and put them into your Altair or a model that has both Altair and Axel's arms in the same place. Because again, the idea is to have both of them attacking from, have both of them be able to control one side of the other, that sort of thing. However, I don't think I have. I think I'll have to go ahead and stop right here. I know it's gonna be like, this is like an hour stream, but I'm pretty sure I'll be back here tomorrow for to show progress of the game and to be able to show some show what I come up with, and hopefully we'll have something awesome that I can show with y'all. So yeah, thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching. I know it's an hour. I know it's a short stream, but if things goes better, I'll pretty sure have like a list of things I want to do and want to try what to accomplish. But sometimes I don't feel like modeling or showing the models on stream at the moment, because I'm not really at the but yeah, thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. All right, bye bye.